Here are 15 detailed facts related to apple trees, their growth, and cultivation. A diversity of apple varieties. There are over 7,500 varieties of apples grown worldwide. Each variety has its unique flavor, texture, and color, which makes apples one of the most diverse fruits. Pollination requirements. Most apple trees require cross-pollination for optimal fruit production. This means that pollen from one apple tree must fertilize the flowers of another. Many orchards plant multiple varieties to ensure good pollination. Seeds and genetic variation. Apple seeds are genetically diverse due to the way apples are pollinated. Each seed can produce a tree with different characteristics, which is why apples grown from seed can yield unexpected results. A time to fruit. Apple trees typically take 4 to 6 years to produce fruit when grown from grafts. In contrast, trees grown from seed may take 7 to 10 years or longer to bear fruit, if they do at all 5. Environmental factors. The success of apple seed germination and tree growth can be heavily influenced by environmental conditions such as temperature, soil type, and moisture levels. Ideally, seeds should be planted in well-draining soil with plenty of sunlight. Rootstock variations. Commercial apple trees are often grafted onto different rootstocks to control size, disease resistance, and fruiting time. Dwarf rootstocks produce smaller trees that are easier to manage and harvest ever. Cultural practices. Proper care, including pruning, watering, and fertilization, is essential for healthy apple trees. Regular pruning helps shape the tree and promotes better air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. Pest and disease management. Apple trees are susceptible to various pests like codling moths and aphids, and diseases such as apple scab and fire blight. Integrated pest management, IPM strategies, are often employed in orchards to minimize the use of chemicals. Climate adaptability. Apple trees thrive in temperate climates, which typically have cold winters and warm summers. They require a certain number of chilling hours, cold temperatures, to produce fruit time. Historical significance. Apples have been cultivated for thousands of years. They are believed to have originated in Central Asia, with the wild ancestor of the domesticated apple, Malus sieversii, still found there today. 11. And nutritional value. Apples are a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. Eating apples is linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced risk of chronic diseases. 12. Culinary uses. Beyond eating them fresh, apples are versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in pies, sauces, salads, and even beverages like cider. Different varieties are often preferred for specific culinary applications. 13. Cultural symbolism. Apples have significant cultural and symbolic meanings in various societies, often representing knowledge, temptation, and immortality. They appear in numerous myths, stories, and religious texts. Commercial production. The United States is one of the largest producers of apples, with Washington State leading in production. Apples are typically harvested in late summer to fall, depending on the variety. 15. Storage and preservation. Apples can be stored for several months in controlled conditions. They are best kept in a cool, dark place with high humidity to maintain freshness. Some varieties, like Fuji and Granny Smith, have excellent storage qualities. These facts highlight the complexity of apple cultivation and the significance of apples in agriculture, nutrition, and culture.